Y'all want to know more ways you can earn money online or in general, make an extra $100 or more on top of whatever you're currently doing. We're going to discuss that in this video. And if you enjoy the content on my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so that you're down every time we drop a new Life Gains video. If you really like my content, join my Patreon. That is a way you help support my channel, and also a way that you can get quicker access to me if you have questions, comments, anything you want to know that's on my channel. I get back to you pretty fast on Patreon. Let's jump into the video. What's good, YouTube? All knowing, all loving, all feeling, all seeing, all powerful, helping everybody from blacks, whites, Mexicans, Latinas, and everything in between. The sexy as hell host of the Life Gains channel, Lamont Tyson, bringing you guys Life Gains Financial. And I'm gonna give you guys 5 good ways that I've used over the years and I've taken notes on that'll help you make some money. But first, let me put on these +7 glasses of the sexy as hell, because we working on skilling up this craft, giving you a better YouTube experience, something better to look at too. So I've got 5 good ways for you guys to make an extra $100 a month or more to supplement your income, to get you to that next level of sexy as hell. Oh man. Hello? Because I'm in the middle of recording a YouTube and I'm gonna have to leave this footage in here and somehow or another make it funny. Yes, I'm on the phone in my video, ladies and gentlemen, as we're talking about 5 ways to make money. I have to answer to my subscribers. How are you doing today, subscriber? Forgive me for that quick and abrupt interruption, but back into our top 5 list. Number 1 on the list is become a secret shopper. And a lot of people don't know that you can become a secret shopper, and I'll leave links to the approved, accredited websites that'll let you do it in the video description, so check it down there. But companies hire people monthly to go in and spy on the way their company is being run, how the workers treat people, how the service goes, and you can make some money for those. Now, you're not gonna get rich off that, all right? You're gonna make somewhere between $8 to $20 per session, and the sessions usually take about 20 minutes to 30 minutes, depending upon how in-depth of a shopper you are and what they want you to shop for. And once you do that, you're also gonna have to write a quick little survey about the experience, and that's how certain businesses gauge the efficacy of their business. So that's number 1. Number 2, you can sell digital products on Etsy. And a lot of people don't know that you can go to Etsy and get digital products, but you can also sell them there too. So let's say you have an idea of how to customize a sign for an event, for a wedding, whatever. Etsy is a site that will allow you to sell those things to people that need those services. The link for that will be in the video description. Number 3, sell your various services that you have to other people on Fiverr or TaskRabbit. So for example, anything that you know people don't like doing, you can pretty much find someone doing it on Fiverr or TaskRabbit. So let's just say you want to cut lawn, you want to walk people's dogs, hell, you want to walk people's senior citizens. Set up a profile on TaskRabbit, look for individuals looking for those type of things to get done. Fiverr is a site where, let's just say you are good at programming, you're good at making intros for videos, you're good at pictures, whatever it is that you can do in the digital world. Fiverr is a site where you can contract yourself out to people that need those services. So that would be number 3. Number 4, and one that I encourage people to do often when you're traveling, is become a tour guide for your city or your wherever you live at. Become a tour guide. Now, me and my wife, when we go out of town, one of the ways we learn what are the best things to do in a town is we do something called a food tour. You can go work for someone doing a food tour. You can start your own food tour, or maybe you want to start like a jogging tour, or maybe you want to start a downtown historical tour. Whatever you can come up with, start it. Now, you might want to check into your city's regulations for putting up tour guides. You might want to network with local businesses, or whatever the themes and attractions are in your city. Go talk to them, let them know that this is something you want to do, And then next, go and compare prices of what other people are charging to do those services, package them up, take people on tour. And then from there, just build your reputation. Post it on Craigslist, post it on sales sites, maybe put up something on Groupon to go ahead and get people feeling it, and start the tour business. I love doing these tours when I go out of town, and that'll be a good way for you to show love for your community and also build a business. And last but not least, this is an old classic. Rent out a room in your apartment or your home on VRBO or Airbnb. If you're renting from a landlord, just make sure the landlord is cool with you having a guest in. And if you own your own home, make sure that your homeowners association allows you to do it, because ever since Airbnb has taken the nation by storm, a lot of homeowners associations have been tripping. Now, y'all know I believe in free market capitalism, and I don't think homeowners associations should be tripping if you want to make money off a piece of property you own. But before you do it, you need to make sure that you can do it. And with those type of things, people are earning up to $500, $600, $800 a month just renting out a free room in their home. And those are my top 5 ways my life gainers can make a life gain financially. And then you can take that money and you can invest it so it can grow for you over time. And then next thing you know, you're chilling and doing what you want to do. That's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like my video, comment, and subscribe. Go get yourself a life gain. Let me know if you're already doing any of the things mentioned in this video. And if you've done them, how successful were you? And let me know if you're planning on doing something in this video that we mentioned, and let me know how it goes in the future. And until that next Sex is Hell video, I'll see you.